Welcome back. I'm proud of you guys because you created this amazing application reviewing the RecyclerView and the CardViews. Now let's handle the click events on these CardViews. Go to the sports adapter class and go to the ViewHolder class, and inside this init block I need to handle the click events on the items of this RecyclerView. Item view dot set on click listener, and inside this click listener I need to specify what we need to do when the user clicks on the items of the CardView. Toast dot make text. I need to display a toast message. The first parameter is item view dot context. I'm getting the context. The second parameter is the message you clicked, and here I'm going to get the clicked item title. So from the sports list, go and get the current position, which is the adapter position. If we go up in the adapter position, and we need to get the sport name. The third parameter is the length. So toast.length short. And don't miss to add the show method. Okay, so I'm getting from the sports list that it is passed. I'm getting the current clicked adapter position, and we are getting the sports name. Run the application, and here if I click football, you clicked football, basketball, tennis, and volleyball. So congratulations guys, we succeeded in handling the click events on CardViews.